It's starting on fig preserves. We already cut up the figs, pretty much just halved them, cut the stems off and cut them in two. That's the way I like them. Uh, Basically about 5 cups of figs, 1 cup of water, uh, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 lemon cut into thin slices. You can see those in there. And 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, freshly ground ginger, not the powdered stuff. Uh, 1.5 cups of sugar. Get it boiling. And then turn it down, let it simmer for about 40 minutes or so. You want to cook them down pretty good to release the natural sugars in the figs. The first batch I made, the wife said they're too runny, so she wants me to add some gelatin in this one. I like it kind of runny, but she wants it thick for whatever reason. I don't know, so she overruled me on that. And that's about it for the figs. These ones started to smell like wine because I didn't process them. We cut the stems off and have them yesterday, and they sat overnight. And this morning they smelled like vinegar, and I still got a lot left. And I haven't picked any off, all of them off the tree. I got 1 tray left, so I'll probably have to get some more jars. I filled 8 jars last night. I bought bigger jars this time because I only had the half pints to begin with, so I bought pint jars because pretty much that's all they had. They had quart and pint. So we'll fill these up in pint jars. And the rest of them I'll either make more preserves or make wine with them. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. Have to go back and pick more off the tree if I'm going to make it wine. Alright, that's about it for the figs. And you can add as much ginger or spice or whatever you want in this thing. The lemon's added a good taste to it, a little citrus taste with the ginger. It's good. If you like a lot of ginger, throw more in there. If you like them really sugary, add more sugar to it. But this was the basic recipe that I have. It looks just like stewed figs, which is what it is. They go good on roast meat, roast pork, bread, jam, bagel with cream cheese, just about anything like that. Really good with roast meat though. Now I've had people put it on ice cream, they like it like that. We regularly put them on pancakes. Yeah, make your pancakes and then spread the fig jam on top or fig preserves and throw some walnuts on top. It's good like that, or pecans or whatever. And that's about it for this one. All right. I guess next up I got eggplant to process to make some caponata. Probably do that later on this afternoon. All right, thank you. If you like my videos, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Everybody have a good week. Thanks again.